Welcome to our geometry lesson. Today, we are going to explore the concept of the circumference of a circle. We will understand what it is, learn the key parts of a circle, and master the two formulas used to calculate it. First, let's define what circumference means. The circumference is simply the total distance around the outside edge of a circle. You can think of it as the perimeter. Imagine taking a piece of string, laying it along the circle's edge, and then straightening it out to measure its length. That length is the circumference. To calculate the circumference, we need to know two important measurements. The first is the radius, represented by the letter r. This is the distance from the exact center of the circle to the edge. The second is the diameter, represented by the letter d. This is the distance all the way across the circle, passing directly through the center. There is a simple connection between these two parts. The diameter is exactly twice as long as the radius. This means if you have two radii joined in a straight line, they make one diameter. Mathematically, we say d equals 2 times r. Now, let's meet the magic number that makes circles special: pi. Pi represents how many times the diameter fits around the circumference. No matter how big or small the circle is, the diameter always wraps around it a little more than 3 times. The exact number is approximately 3.14. Because pi relates the diameter to the circumference, our first formula is very straightforward. Circumference equals pi multiplied by the diameter. You use this version when the problem gives you the measurement of the diameter. Sometimes, you might only know the radius. Since we know that the diameter is equal to 2 times the radius, we can substitute that into our formula. This gives us the second common equation. Circumference equals 2 multiplied by pi multiplied by the radius. Let's try an example. Suppose we have a circle with a diameter of 10 centimeters. Using our first formula, we multiply pi, which is 3.14, by 10. This gives us a circumference of 31.4 centimeters. Now let's try one with the radius. If the radius is 7 centimeters, we use the second formula. 2 pi r, we calculate 2 times 3.14 times 7. 2 times 3.14 is 6.28. Multiplying that by 7 gives us approximately 43.96 centimeters. To wrap up, remember these two keys. If you are given the diameter, simply multiply it by pi. If you are given the radius, multiply it by 2 and then by pi. And always remember that pi is approximately 3.14.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.